Hello, I am Subrata Biswas, roll number 21EC10075, and it is my DIY assignment 3, and it is about disassembly and assembly of anything. And in this video I am disassembling this trimmer that I used 1 year long. I will disassemble this, and you can see how I disassemble this. After disassembling this, you can see that this is the motor, this is the circuit board, this is the back body, this is the front body, and this is the battery, and in this you can see this is the battery holder, and it is the relay circuit, this is the charging point, and it is the charging point indicator, and it is the on off switch. When these two things are short circuited, then it will connect the circuit and it will run the motor, and then the trimmer works. And I will show you that how this motor works now. You can see I have a wire to short circuit 2 points. If I short circuit this, then you can see the motor. If I short circuit this, then you can see the motor is working, and you can also hear the sound of the motor. This is the working principle of this. After this, I will again assemble this, and you can see also after assemble it will also work. After assembling, you can see that it is now working. You can hear the sound of this trimmer. By the way, this trimmer's model number is Nova NST1045. If you want to buy this product, I will give this link in the description. Thank you.